Hello friend, my name is Power Sujit. Today's topic is the respiratory system. The respiratory system is responsible for taking oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide, which are essential process for su- sustaining life. Sustaining life. It involves a series of organs and tissues that helps in breathing and gas exchange. Main components of the respiratory systems: nose and nasal cavity. Function: air enter through the nose where it is filtered by tiny ears, moist, moistened and warmed by the head cavity. The nasal cavity The nasal cavity also the mucus that traps dust and pathogen. Pharynx function: a muscle tube that serves as the pathway for both air and food. It contains the nasal cavity to the esophagus. Larynx voice box function: located below the pharynx. The pharynx, the larynx contains the vocal cords and responsible for the producing sound. It is also acts as the passageway for the air between the pharynx. The trachea, the trachea function: a tube that contains the larynx to the bronchi, providing a clear airway for the air to enter and exit the lungs. The trachea it rib trachea with the cartilage rings that keep it open. Bronchi function: the trachea divided into two main bronchi, left and right, which lead to he- which lead to the each lungs. The bronchi further subdivide into smaller branches called bronchioles within the lungs. Bronchioles function: the small branches of the bronchi that lead to the alveoli. Bronchioles controls that flow of air into the lungs and distribute air to the alveoli. Alveoli function: tiny air at the end of the bronchioles where gas exchange occurs. Oxygen passes through the walls of the alveoli into the blood, and carbon dioxide for the blood expedited into the alveoli to the alveolar tube. Maintain healthy respiratory system. First, exercise regularly. Then second, avoid smoking, for example tobacco, drink, smoke, cigarette, etc. Wear mi- wear mask in polluted areas. Fourth, get vaccinated. Fifth, uh, participate good hygiene in etc. Thank you friends.